In today's video, I'll show you how to install PC Trainer 5 in GTA 5. Check my video description for these two mods download link. Right click on script to P and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Open bin. Select the script to V and then put a.dll drag drop inside of a game folder. Once done, go back and open the trainer V. Drag up these two files inside. Once this done, close tab here and launch the game. Once you are in game, press F4 to open up this PC Trainer 5 and turn on the numlock in our numpad. Press in 2 and 8 key in the numpad to choose option. To select option, press 5 in the numpad. To go back, press the 0 key in the numpad. Go to vehicle options, spawn vehicle, cars, select the car type, choose the car you like to spawn, and then to close this menu, press the 0 key in the numpad and you can enjoy the game, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.